Hey guys, I'm Landon, and today I'm gonna show you a quick and easy way to transform old bananas to a delicious banana cake. Let's bake easier! Make sure you know the downloadable recipe is in the description. Let's start the prepping with preheating the oven. Grease and flour the pan. Just tap and rotate. Perfect! Leave the cream cheese and butter out. Then mash the overripe bananas. Moving on to our two simple step, one bowl mixing. First, add all of these ingredients in. Beat for just 1 minute, then add the baking soda and flour. Beat for a total of 30 seconds. It's that simple. I'm manually mixing just a little bit before running the machine to prevent spattering. Scrape and stir a couple times for a well-blended batter. Although I'm not using, but banana extract is available if you want that extra flavor boost. Some tops should pop large bubbles and bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until toothpick test comes out clean. Now making our delicious cream cheese frosting is another two simple steps. Step 1. Beat softened butter with cream cheese for about 15 seconds. Step 2. Add the rest of ingredients. I'd recommend using a good vanilla extract and beat until creamy, which takes just about 2 minutes. It's that easy! For a super smooth frosting, scrape and stir is non-negotiable. Once the cake is cooled down completely, it is time to frost, and I find this cookie scoop is extremely helpful. Before we finish, the last note is, in my opinion, the second day tastes the best for the moistness and flavors, but what do you think? And that's another easy recipe. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe for more hassle-free delicious recipes. Help out my small channel if you may. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye.